Hey ladies, so I ran to Walmart because I fell in love with the Chefman CraftBrew espresso machine, and it is beautiful and I want to unbox it with you. As y'all know, I'm a super coffee lover. I love coffee, hot, iced, mixed, whatever. And so I want to unbox it with you, and I want you to unbox it with me. Okay, so let's unbox. Ooh. So I was trying to unbox it all nice and cute for you to save the box in case I need a return, or in case something like, I don't know, but I just wanted to do it all cute for you. But I'm a beginner, so I'm gonna just tear this box up. Damn. I was trying to be as careful as possible. Y'all, I'm going crazy already. It is beautiful. Wow. Okay, so we got the little scoop. Hold on, let me cut this off. We have the Espresso. And we obviously have, let me see. The machine, the water tank, the buttons. Okay, we got the little steamer. Hold on, ladies. So we have the espresso machine, we have the water tank, we have the double shot, we have the single shot, we have the froth button, we have the double shot button, the program button. So I'm gonna be able to steam broth. Y'all, it's so beautiful and touchscreen. I'm definitely gonna be using this. I gotta learn how to use it, obviously. I was trying to learn how to remove this thing right here. But I will be learning. So ladies, I got it off. I learned. So yeah. This is my first. I have an espresso, I have a Keurig, and I have a normal coffee maker. And I do have like the kettle one, but I never had like this. So basically it's new to me, but I'm so excited because I love coffee. I love hot, cold. I love trying different recipes. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I love it, and I'm so excited to use it. It's touchscreen and it preheats. I love when coffee makers preheat. I think it's good for it. I think it's good. So let me get to it. Bye, y'all.